How is it going, guys? Welcome back to Jimmy and Snow Garage. Today we're gonna install this Jeep bull bar onto my lifted Miata. Let's go. Jimmy and Snow Garage. I've always wanted an off-road look on this car. With the stock bumper and like normal tires, it wasn't so off-roady. So I went ahead and bought this Jeep bull bar on OfferUp. And it cost me like $60. I've already taken apart the bumper and everything is not in the way now. So I'm gonna decide if I want to do a half bumper setup or like just make holes and keep the whole bumper with the bull bar. If possible, I think I want to keep the bumper because cutting this seems like a waste. Let's put the bull bar on and see how it fits. Well, that looks pretty nice already. It's pretty in the middle. I've measured from the bumper. This point to the edge of the bumper is like around 10 inch. This looks like a lot, but with the bumper on, it's not. This Jeep bull bar has this hardware here where you can tighten it and have slight adjustment. So you see, by just pushing this all the way, it's already onto the frame. So I just need some fabrication work to make a mounting point. Okay, I think this is how I want it to be. This metal tab, it's out here, and then the bracket goes inside. Somebody on the Lifted Miata Facebook page suggested me to take off the bumper support thingy. So I took it off, so I have a flat surface here. I'm thinking about something that can hold, I can weld a piece of metal here and then one mounting point so I can, take off the bull bar. I don't want to mount the bull bar like permanently. So I still can take it off when I need to do maintenance on the radiator or the AC, The hard part is the rear. How do I mount this fucking thing to the frame? You see from the edge of the bull bar to the baby teeth is around like 6 inch, 5 inch. So which means on the bumper I need like 5 inch out. Well, looks like my measurement is correct because you see 5 inch out. And I really want to keep this mouth. I don't want to be like just chop this and then the Miata be like Alright, I've cut like 2 holes, 2 small ones. Technically the bar is like completely covering the lower part of the bumper, so I don't have to worry about being cutting the whole thing. Alright, I cut a piece of angle iron, drill a hole for each side. Now I'm gonna weld this onto this to make my first 2 point. The inside looks pretty good because of the metal being much thicker on the frame, but on the outside it looks more terrible because it's just sheet metal and it's really difficult. Alright, I've made the bracket and it lines up. So now, without the jack, this already supports itself. I made a bracket out of the original holes and I tack welded it together. Now I'm gonna take it out and weld the whole thing. Bada beam, bada boom. I have 2 brackets now. I have to weld it. Pretty good welds if you ask me. Okay, I've done it. Yeah, the bracket. If I move this a little bit, the holes will line up perfectly. Gonna, I don't know, kind of paint this to protect it from corrosion, and I'll put the bumper back. guys, that's it for today's video. It's a wrap. It's not easy. Welding is difficult, fabrication is difficult, but I somehow made it work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to lift your car too, to make your little 1.6 slower than ever. It's awesome. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe, like, and follow my Instagram. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.